you've been looking for something very effective and simple, like a soap you can make yourself that will actually work even out your skin tone, this soap recipe is what you want to try. I'm going to be sharing with you on how to make carrot soup, and this soap is so easy to come up with. Okay, so the first ingredients we need is carrot. Make sure you peel out the back and you wash and you grate. So I have 3 medium carrot. Okay, so make sure you grate the carrot like so. So carrot soap is very good to the skin. So once you're done grating the carrot, you're going to transfer it into a clean plate, and you're going to add about 200 mils of water, distilled water, right? Then you're going to strain, okay, to get the carrot juice. So this soap recipe is very easy to come up with. So here I have about 200 mils of carrot juice, and here is my soap base. Okay, you can use any soap base of choice. You can use any mild beauty bar. Okay, you can use Joy, you can use Lux, any mild beauty bar, okay, will be fine, right? So you're going to grate it like so. Okay, so the reason why I'm grating it is to, make it melt on time, because we cannot just, cut it into big chunks. This is the best way you can do this, right? So here we have the grated soap, and we're going to transfer it into the carrot juice. So guys, this carrot soup is so nice, and it's something you can come up with within minutes. Okay, it's something you can come up with within minutes. You don't need to spend tons of money to make the soup. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is to double boil this soap, because you want the soap itself to melt. Okay, just take your time, make sure the soap is fully melted, right? So we are making this soap as a paste. Okay, it's a paste carrot soap, right? So once that is done, we're going to be adding lime. So lime is very beneficial to the skin, right? It also helps to exfoliate the skin and also help to brighten up the skin. So once you add the lime, make sure that you mix very well. So guys, this soap recipe is what you want to learn how to make, because it's so effective and it's easy to also come up with. As you guys can see, the soap is fully dissolved, and the next thing we are going to do is to remove it from heat. Okay, so here we have the soap, and as you guys can see, the soap is still watery. No worries, we are making a paste soap and we are getting there. Okay, so you are going to be adding vitamin E oil to this soap, and we are going to mix very well. So after adding vitamin E oil, you're going to add honey. Okay, so half teaspoon of honey. Then you're going to mix very well. Okay, till is well incorporated. So at this point it has cooled down a little bit. Okay, then I'm going to be adding preservative, of course, to prolong the shelf life of the soup. So you're going to mix and mix. I'm going to leave it for a while, like leave it for about even up to the next day to kind of form this paste, because the more it gets cool, the more it thickens, and finally it becomes a paste. And that is how you can make this simple carrot soup that will help to brighten out your skin, even out your skin tone, make you have that beautiful skin. Okay, so as you guys can see, here we have our carrot soup paste. It's going to remain in this paste form. Okay, thank you so much, and see you guys in my next one. Bye.